In a dramatic twist that fans of 1000 LB Sisters never saw coming, it appears Amy Slayton's dream of a joyous wedding to her new fiancé Brian is crumbling under family tension, disappointment, and a wave of unresolved emotions. While Amy had hoped this next chapter of her life would bring healing, love, and unity, it's instead been marred by shocking decisions, most notably, that key family members are outright refusing to attend the wedding. The very foundation of her support system appears to be splintering, leaving Amy hurt, confused, and wondering if love alone is enough when her closest people are walking away. Amy's engagement to Brian had already been under heavy scrutiny. The 1000 LB Sisters star, who recently finalized her divorce from ex-husband Michael Halterman, was just beginning to regain her sense of self when Brian entered the picture. The relationship escalated quickly. Their chemistry was undeniable, and Brian appeared on social media in a flood of affectionate TikToks and live streams. Fans saw a softer, giggly Amy, something they hadn't seen in a long time. But behind those smiles were deep wounds still healing, and a family that wasn't ready to celebrate a new M. And in Amy's life just yet. Sources close to the Slayton family confirmed that several members, including sister Tammy Slayton, are not planning to attend the upcoming ceremony. According to one insider, Tammy feels like Amy is rushing things. She barely got out of a toxic marriage. The family thinks Brian seems nice, but they're not convinced he truly understands what being with Amy involves, emotionally and physically. It's not about disapproval, it's about timing. It's just too soon. While Tammy herself has not publicly addressed the situation, fans have noticed subtle jabs and cryptic messages in her recent social media posts. In one Instagram story that quickly disappeared, Tammy wrote, "Some people fall in love with the idea of love and forget the lessons they were supposed to learn." The post sparked wild speculation among fans, many of whom took it as a direct reference to Amy's engagement. The tension has clearly been building for months, and this new fracture is now playing out in the public eye, one post at a time. Adding fuel to the fire is the growing concern about Brian's background. Although Amy has introduced him to fans with glowing affection, some family members are reportedly skeptical. "He seems sweet, but he's not from their world," said one close source. "He doesn't understand the fame, the pressure, the health stuff, or the family dynamics. It's a lot, and the Slaytons are very protective of each other, even if they fight like cats and dogs. They close ranks when something feels off. This protective instinct may be what's causing the current wedding boycott." According to leaked texts and insider whispers, several relatives feel blindsided by how quickly Amy is moving. With her kids still so young and her mental health reportedly fragile, they believe the wedding might be a distraction rather than a healing milestone. "They think she's trying to fast forward her way to happiness," said the insider. "But the past is still sitting there. Just because you decorate over a hole doesn't mean it's filled." Amy, however, is standing her ground. In a tearful live session, she told fans, "I know people think I'm rushing, but y'all don't see what I see. Brian's been there for me in ways nobody else has. He helped me laugh again. He helps with the boys. He's good to me. Ain't that what matters?" Her raw emotion struck a chord with many supporters, but it also revealed just how isolated she might be feeling, pushing forward with wedding plans while her own blood refuses to show up. One of the most heart-wrenching parts of this story is the ripple effect on Amy's children. Those close to her say that she had been hoping to create a beautiful, blended moment that her boys could look back on someday with joy. She wanted her sons to see a celebration of love, a friend explained. Now, it feels more like damage control. She's trying to prove something, to herself, to her family, maybe even to Michael. Speaking of Michael, there are rumors that he isn't thrilled about the engagement either. While the ex-couple has kept most legal matters under wraps, insiders say he's concerned about Brian's presence in the children's lives. Though he hasn't spoken out publicly, one source hinted he didn't expect Amy to bring another man around the boys so soon. It's creating tension, and that tension is spilling into the wider family. And then there's the looming shadow of TLC. The network that brought 1000 LB Sisters into millions of living rooms is reportedly scrambling to adjust filming schedules around the drama. Producers are said to be divided. Some want to highlight the chaos for a ratings boost, while others are concerned about the emotional toll it's taking on Amy. She's breaking down off camera, one crew member said. She's trying to smile through it, but there are moments where she's in tears and just wants everyone to stop fighting. For fans, the situation is bittersweet. Many have followed Amy's journey from food addiction and emotional devastation to motherhood and self-discovery. Her engagement to Brian was supposed to be a beacon of hope, a sign that maybe, just maybe, happiness was within reach. But the refusal of her family to show up for the biggest day of her new life has shattered that illusion. And while Amy is determined to move forward, her heart may be carrying more weight than ever before. Questions now hang in the air. Will the wedding go on as planned? Will Tammy and other family members change their minds? Could there be an on-air reconciliation, or is this the beginning of a deeper rift that could permanently fracture the Slayton family dynamic? TLC cameras are reportedly rolling, and while Amy has made it clear she wants to document her life honestly, there are growing concerns that this chapter might be too painful to share. Yet, in true Amy fashion, she refuses to be defined by others' opinions. They can come or not, she said in a recent TikTok. But I'm walking down that aisle. I'm marrying Brian. This is my life, and I'm tired of waiting for everyone else to be okay with it. Her defiance is equal parts inspiring and tragic, a woman fighting for love while grieving the absence of those who were supposed to stand by her. The wedding, which is rumored to take place in late fall, is still in planning stages. According to close sources, Amy has already booked a venue, ordered a custom dress, and begun creating a non-traditional guest list. It's gonna be small, intimate, she told fans. Only people who truly support us will be there. That message, subtle but pointed, leaves no doubt. The guest list is now a loyalty test, and many of her own kin have failed it. The fallout from the Slayton family divide is already making waves in the fan community. Supporters are choosing sides, theories are flying, and social media has exploded with hashtags like #JusticeForAmy, #TammyComeback, and #SlaytonFamilyFeud. In many ways, this public drama reflects a private heartbreak, a woman whose lifelong struggle has never really been about weight, but about love, acceptance, and feeling worthy enough to be chosen. As Amy Slayton prepares to take her vows with Brian, she does so under a storm cloud of hurt and disappointment. She is not the same woman who started this journey years ago. She is stronger, more resilient, but also raw, and still healing. Whether the wedding day is everything she dreamed of, or another painful reminder of what she's lost, only time will tell. But one thing is certain, Amy is no longer waiting for anyone's permission to live her life. And whether her family is seated at her wedding or watching from a distance, the world will be watching too. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more up-date news.